In this video, you will learn how to automatically update Excel chart with the addition of new data. Currently, you can see I have generated this chart. If I add new data, for example, I will add June, press enter, and I will write here 50,000. Press enter. Now you can observe that this chart is not automatically updated. So you will learn how to create a chart that will automatically update with the addition of new data. So let's start this video. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, click any cell. After that, go to Format as Table option. Click here and select any style according to your requirement. For example, in this case, I will choose this one. From here, you can select cell range. Currently, you can see here it has automatically selected cell range. If you are interested to customize this cell range, you can also do that. For example, I will click here. I will remove this data and I will select this data. Here is the option of my table has headers. If your table has header, you can check this option. Otherwise, you can uncheck this one. Currently, you can see here my table has header. So I have checked this option. After that, simply click on OK. Now you can see here our data is converted into table. After that, I will again select this one. Go to Insert option. From here, I will choose Recommended Chart. And I will choose this one, which is the column or bar chart. Click on OK. Now you can see here we have inserted a table here. Now I will place it here. Now I will add new data. For example, I will add data of 2020. Press enter. Now you can see here new data point is added. Now I will add value. For example, I will write 50,000. You can see here 50,000 data point is added here and it is formatted like our other graph. Similarly, if I add another data point, press enter and I will write 60,000. Press enter. Now you can see here our chart is automatically updated. If you add any data, then that data will be reflected in your chart. So by following this video, you can automatically update Excel chart with the addition of new data. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.